Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Konami account. Use the official app or website. Why this matters: authentication ensures the backup ties to the correct profile. Once signed in, go straight to account settings and confirm your email and password. Make adjustments now if anything is outdated. Next, enable two-step verification. This reduces risks during transfer. Finally, prepare the device and recovery email so you can receive codes and verify ownership without delays or interruptions. Once done with verification, navigate to the backup or data transfer section. This is where you create a portable copy. Choose a full export to include saved data, purchases, and settings so restoration is complete. Partial exports risk missing items. Then pick your destination. Download the archive to a secure folder or link it to a supported cloud service. Make sure you note any expiration time and the exact file name. These details matter when you restore or share the backup later. To finish, sign into the same Konami ID on the target device and choose Restore. Follow prompts and allow time for large saves. If the restore succeeds, verify purchases and settings immediately so you catch issues fast. If something goes wrong, recheck your two-step verification codes, ensure the backup file isn't corrupted, and try re-downloading the export. As a best practice, keep at least 2 copies, a local and a cloud export, so you can recover if one option fails.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.